Hey everyone! So it's your friendly neighborhood vlogger with his friends Katie and Jane. Ba't ito nakalimutan? So,
Retake yun.
retake. Hey everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood vlogger Nash and welcome back to my humble channel. So for today's video, may pa-upgrade si Mayor. Wow! So magta-travel vlog tayo. And I'm a little bit excited. Wow! So yun nga, excited ako kasi it's my first time doing vlog outside the house. Kasi nga diba pandemic, we cannot go out freely. Pero ngayon siguro, since na-lift na yung ECQ, pwede na. So yun nga, Bobby, one of my friends, invited us to go out daw, so let's film it, di ba? Ganun, dapat. Ganun. So, hinintay ko si Bobby at si Jane ngayon. So, sila yung mga besties ko na lagi kong kasama sa pangmalakasang galaan. Teka guys, nangangaling na kamay ko ito. So guys, pag sinasabi kong pangmalakasang galaan, hindi siya yung galaan na pupuntang mall lang, hindi. Yun siya yung mga galaan yung may pabundok, may pa-waterfalls, medyo dora-dora ang dating natin gano'n. So sila yung mga madalas kong kasama, Jane, Bob, and Vitali. So ngayon, hihintayin natin sila kasi personally, I don't have a ride. Wow! So nagkikiangkas lang ako sa mga motor nila kasi wala akong ride. And besides, I don't even know how to drive car or motor. Wow! Pag maka-car, may car! So yun nga, hihintay natin sila. It's like 9 a.m. in the morning and I'm a little bit excited kasi it's my first time doing vlog outside. So, yun. So, saan nga ba tayo pupunta? Sorry guys if I keep peeking outside kasi nga tinitignan ko baka dumating na sila. So, pupunta daw tayo sa King Park. Kalimutan ko ang name, pero King Park. Basta pupunta tayo ng Vitali. So, isa din yun sa mga rason kung ba't medyo excited ako ngayon kasi lumaki ako sa Vitali guys. Doon ako nag-elementary, doon ako nag-high school, nandun lola ko, and currently nandun brother ko and mama ko and some of my family members. That's why I'm excited rin na pupunta. It's been months na rin since I've been there kasi nga school, ganyan. And kasi nga doon sa Vitali, meron daw forest resort. Basta park siya na parang forest, gano'n. So, doon gusto pumunta ni na Bob and Jane. So, sasamahan ko sila since taga-Vitali ako. Kaya, yun. So, hihintay lang natin sila. And with that being said, tama ng intro.
A few moments later.
Jane and Bobby is in the house! Saan tayo punta? Saan tayo? Hey everyone, so I wasn't able to film kung paano kami umalis kanina pero currently nasa highway kami. Yan, dia. Stop over mo na. We're at Rancho Vitali, guys.
A few moments later.
Katie.
Hello.
So we're here at may biglang sumama. Introduce.
What's up, people of Earth?
Introduce ka.
My name is Katie. Yun lang.
Hey everyone! So it's your friendly neighborhood vlogger with his friends Katie and Jane. Ba't ito nakalimutan? So, retake. Hey everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood vlogger with his friends Katie and Jane. So currently we're waiting for Bobby. Nag-CR siya. So nandun ang CR. Medyo malayo. So we're gonna show you around. Minsan lang kami gumala kasi nga nasasakal na kami sa school, di ba Jane?
Yeah.
Yun, so okay. So Bobby's here.
May ano pa ba? Ano behind that?
Are you guys satisfied? Are you satisfied?
No.
Are you satisfied?
Hindi yun siya
Di ba ako
masatisfied.
tatanungin bakit?
Why?
Tingnan mo yun.
Saan? Oo. I'm satisfied. Ikaw, satisfied ka. Guys, I really don't know how to vlog outside. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na kung masyadong messy ang pagka-vlog. Pero I'm getting used to it naman. So,
Wow!
actually guys, we're satisfied naman. Joke lang yun kanina. Actually, fresh talagang hangin dito. And compared sa city, prefer ko dito na lang muna magstay. Di ba, Kate?
Yeah.
Kate!
Yes. Magandang hangin.
Kasing ganda nito.
Ito.
Wow! So, my friends are taking photos right now and tignan nyo. Kanina we're not having fun, pero right now we're like having fun na because hindi na mainit ang araw. So yun, araw pala talaga, right?
Pero gusto na umulan.
Pero it's fresh and it's cold. Wow, English!
Wala kayo magpapinataw.
Yun lang.
Emo, dito ng taas-taas.
Sabi niya.
Saya.
A few moments later.
Ulan na. Ulan na. Aray, shoota. We're living. We're actually done. And yeah, we're going home. We're going home.
Going home.
We're going home.
Uwi na siya.
A few moments later.
So basically we're like sa city na at ginabi kami ng pag-travel, pero we had so much fun and right now we're at McDonald's and we felt hungry, that's why we're here. So
Ano daw?
A few moments later.
So that's our travel vlog for today. Nasa bahay na ako and I would like to say sorry because I'm not that good filming outside the house kasi of course medyo shy type na tayo dyan. But I'll get used to it. Yes, and I wasn't able to film the entire travel process kasi umulan at ginabi kami sa daan, medyo madilim. So yun. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you have suggestions kung anong pwede natin gawin next video, comment down below. Please forget don't forget to like, comment, and of course consider subscribing, guys. So with that being said, it's a friendly neighbor vlogger Nash, and welcome back to my channel. Dapat sa first yun. I mean, it's a friendly neighbor vlogger Nash. Keep rocking, keep the good vibes rolling.